All right, listen up. If you're still broke, it's not because you're unlucky, it's because you're making choices that keep you broke. You're choosing to believe that getting rich is hard, that you don't deserve it, that you can't do it alone. Well, let me tell you something, you're wrong. You're choosing to stay broke. You're choosing to believe the lies, but it doesn't have to be this way. You can change, you can take control. You can fix this in 60 seconds. First, stop blaming your circumstances. It's not your job, your boss, or the economy. It's you. You're the problem and you're the solution. Now let's fix this. Step 1, invest in yourself. Start with high-income skills. Learn to code, design, or write. The internet is free, use it. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube have courses that can change your life. Step 2, invest your money. Open a brokerage account. Put your money to work. Invest in index funds, ETFs, or individual stocks. Step 3, build financial discipline. Create a budget, track your expenses. Live below your means, save and invest consistently. Step 4, shift your mindset. Believe you can do it, believe you deserve it, believe you're capable of greatness. It's time to stop making excuses and start taking action. You can do this, you can become rich, but you have to want it bad enough. You have to be willing to hustle, you have to be willing to sacrifice, you have to be willing to fail and keep going. So are you in? Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Like, share, and subscribe. Check out our sponsors' links in the description. They can help you take the first step toward financial freedom. Make money online, earn millions in the next 6 months or less. It's up to you. Hustle now.